Business is involved in everything we do. We practice business every day. I just decided if I want to major in something, I want to major in something that would last a lifetime, and that's why I decided to come to Central and major in accounting.
At Central, students in the accounting program have many opportunities to get involved and take advantage of resources that will help them gain real-world experience. Students can become certified in the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program and help people who can't afford an accountant.
So it's giving back to the community the information and education we retained at Central. So it gives us a warm feeling to know that we're giving back to the community.
With that experience that the students get both in their internships and in volunteering for VITA, in addition to a number of other items on campus, they are better trained to go out and accept their very first accounting position.
The field of accounting opens many doors and allows individuals to work in a role that goes beyond just crunching numbers. The CCSU accounting program and IRS often work together to create a unique learning experience.
The students were actively engaged with the IRS special agents in doing mock investigations. So there's a lot of handcuffing going on, there's a lot of wiring to obtain incriminating evidence. Actually, the students were able to do simulated shooting exercises as well. So it really gave them a great idea of what it was like to work in the Internal Revenue Service's Criminal Investigative Unit.
Job placement workshops are also available for students. Professors help students prepare resumes and bring in recruiters from local firms to share with students what they are looking for in potential employees.
So because we have that experience, because we have that work experience, when we do get to know our students, we can find out what their dreams are, what it is that they want to do, and we can better help them, better advise them in what might be the direction that they do want to go in.
Professors in the accounting program are committed to their students and are passionate about their work and student success.
They love what they do. They love accounting, and when they teach it with such a passion that you as a student, you just take it all in and you just learn from it, benefit from it, because the professors are there for you every step of the way.
We have an open door policy. We encourage our students to come see us during office hours. And even if a student can't make it during office hours, we're very accommodating to meet them at a time, date, location that's comfortable for them.
The CCSU accounting program offers small class sizes with professors who truly care about their students. Graduates leave the program with the confidence to accomplish the goals after college.
What they teach you here actually applies to the real world. Central is the right place to go because you will learn what you need to learn for the real world.
They come to the classes, they learn, they do internships. They're very active on campus. Our students are very ready to go and take whatever position they desire after graduation.